Here's how you can make your 2023 vision board. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel The Productive Girl. Today I'm going to create my vision board for 2023 from the start along with you guys. But before that, if you don't know what is a vision board, according to Google, vision board is a collage of images and words representing a person's wishes or goals intended to serve as inspiration or motivation. Yes, it's just a collage of pictures, images that represent or resonate with your goals, dreams, wishes, desires, etc. So in order to make a vision board, it's important to have a vision. It's not just a board, it's a vision board. Without a vision, we can't make a vision board. So in order to create your vision, all you have to do is think about your long-term picture. What do you want to become in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years? Also, if you feel really difficult to create vision, then these are some little activities that can really help you. First is a current me and future me activity. I learned about this from a YouTube video. I will link that video in the description box below. You can watch it to clearly understand this concept. So basically, on the left hand side, you have to doodle or draw about your current self, your current habits, current lifestyle. And on the right hand side, you have to draw and doodle or write about how you want to become in the future. So this exercise will really help you to create a vision. Another thing that you can do is you can write start or stop doing. So what and all you want to start doing in the future that you're not doing right now, and also what and all you need to stop that you're doing right now in order to move towards your future self. Another exercise that I really like is the perfect day in my life. So what's a perfect day in your life looks like in the future? When you're getting up, what you're surrounded by, what are your hobbies, what are you spending time on? This exercise will also gives you lots of clarity towards your vision of your future self. You can do one or you can do all these activities in order to create your vision for the future. Once you have a vision ready, now we are going to search for images, pictures that best suit with our visions, that resonates with us the most. So you can find it on Google Images, or you can even find it on some magazines or newspapers. If there's a picture that attracts you, that resonates with you, that you want to have it in your vision board, you can just cut it out. Or you can use Pinterest, which is my absolute favorite. So you can just go to Pinterest, search and look for images that you like, that's related to your visions, goals, dreams, and also that resonates with you, that speaks to you, and just download all those images. Once you have downloaded it, the next step depends on which format you want your vision board to be. If you want like a physical vision board, then you can print it all these pictures. If you want a digital vision board, then you can just move to the next step and just create a collage and make a digital vision board. Also, let's see ways to create a vision board. When it comes to physical vision boards, first you can create a vision board in a chart paper. It's very budget friendly. You just need those downloaded pictures printed and a glue stick to stick everything in the chart paper the way that you like. Another way to do is typical metal grid sort of vision board. If you're okay, you can get that metal grid. You can just stick those pictures that you have printed out using the decorative clips. I will link the metal grid that I have used in the past in the description box below. It's of very good quality. You can check it out. Another way is for someone who wants like a little bit privacy with their vision board, because in the previous two ways, if you make a vision board in a chart paper or a metal grid, it will be in your room and it can be accessed by everyone. Whoever comes to your room can see it. If you're not okay or comfortable with it, then you can make your vision board in your planner or bullet journal or in your DIY planner as well. Another interesting way is that these are the photo cards that I printed out for my previous vision board to stick it in my metal grid. But you can just have this like these set of photo cards. Every morning when you wake up, you can just see each and every photo cards and visualize your dream life, like sort of a vision book. I thought this would be like a cool, interesting way to do a vision board. You can try this one as well if you're interested. Okay, now coming to ways to make vision board digitally, you can make a vision board for your mobile phone, like a lock screen wallpaper, because it's one of the most things that we frequently see. Every time you unlock your mobile, you will be seeing that vision board. Another way will be helpful for someone if you use a laptop or computer, then you can create a vision board and set it as your desktop background. Again, you will frequently see that. Another cool way to make a vision board digitally is while you're surfing the pictures on Pinterest for your vision board, you can just add those pins to a board and you can title that board as 2023 vision board, and that's it. It's a very simple, cool, aesthetic way of creating a vision board. You have like a Pinterest board that named as 2023 vision board, and whenever you want to visualize your life, like once in a day, you can go to your Pinterest, you can go to your board and just scroll over your board, all the pictures and everything, and visualize your dream life. This is also, I think, is really cool. So these are the different ways in which you can create your vision board. So accordingly, you can either print the downloaded pictures, or you can just keep it to yourself if you want to do like a digital format. So that's it. Now that you have like a basic idea of what is a vision board, how you can create it, and in the different ways that you can create it, now come along with me to make my 2023 vision board. I did all the vision exercises that I talked about and have some visions, and with my visions I went to Pinterest and searched for images that fit my visions and purpose, goals and everything, and here are the few pictures. It looks so good. I also created the board like 2023 vision board on Pinterest as well, just to keep it organized, and then I downloaded everything and then printed out through this website called Zoom-In. I've been printing out my photo cards or any posters or something like that that's related to my vision board, I think for past 2 to 3 years, and I really like their quality and everything. So I just submitted the pictures online and had them delivered to my home, and within like 3 to 4 days I received my vision board pictures, and it turned out so beautiful. So the pictures are ready. We can make a vision board. So I'm going to be making 4 vision boards. Yes, 2 are physical and 2 are digital. So let's start with the physical vision board. I'm going to make a personal vision board and a work related vision board in both of my planners. Let's start with my personal vision board that I'm going to make in this Factor Notes 2023 planner. Let's make it.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, nah.
Okay guys, isn't it pretty? It looks so good. Now let's move on to make vision board related to my work and side hustle. I'm a little bit more excited for this vision board than my personal vision board, which I'm going to be doing in my positive store planner. Now let's make our second vision board.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be.
Okay guys, this is how it looks. I literally love both of my vision boards so much. And also, if you want the same exact pictures that I have used in my vision board, then I will provide my Pinterest board link in the description box. You can check it out. So this is my vision boards in my planners and I really like it. Okay lovelies, now coming to my 2023 vision boards, and let's start with the one that I created in my personal planner. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I have a bookmark right in my vision board in both my planners so that I can look at my vision board quite often. And I love this year vision boards both in personal and work planners. I just love it. It turned out so beautifully, just the way that I wanted. First, I have these wordings as you can see. It says gratitude, growing, self-care, glowing. So first it's sun plus beach. I want to visit beach and I really like sun, so it's kind of like an empty space here, so I just ticked that. And it's Korean recipe. I want to try it out. That's why the picture is. And I really like to cook, so I want to cook that. Then this picture denotes that I'm taking well care of my hair. Also, I would like to get some haircut this year. And the word growing. Then here this picture denotes that I want to learn to speak Korean. Then this is like a outfit inspiration, and I also have this picture that I really like. I have a crush on my future self. I really liked it. And this is like a walking picture. I always like walking, but I found that I love walking in 2022 only, so I just want to do more walking this year as well because it's so good. I just love it so much. And that's for this side. And coming to this side, we have a self-care word, and here is a girl sleeping peacefully and getting her beauty sleep, which denotes that I am getting back to my sleeping schedule. I'm sleeping well and enough because my sleeping schedule was messed up in the year 2022, so that's why. And here is like a self-care picture. I really wanted to have a jewelry from Swarovski, and if you watch K-dramas, you know from which K-drama this exact necklace is from. If you know, do comment below. And this is a picture for self-love, and here is like a eating healthy sort of a picture. Then a word of glowing, 2-in-1 picture, like I want to drink more water. And also this picture denotes that I want to work out once a week at least. And here is a quote that I really like. It says, no matter how you feel, get up, dress up, show up, and never give up. I really liked it. And then I have a picture of Netflix because your girl loves to binge watch some K-dramas. These two are like outfit inspiration, and this is another Korean dish that I would like to try. So that's for my personal vision board. Now coming to the vision board that I made in my work planner. I just love this just by looking at it. So again, I have another bookmark. So let's see from this side again. So again, I have few words that I really like and resonate. So first I have my word of the year, which is persistent. And also I have these wordings which I really like. Just create, inspire, and breathe. First we have this girl. She's just working. Also have this bullet journal, which denotes that I want to plan more. And this picture denotes that I want to learn things. This picture denotes for investment. And here we have the word inspire, and here I have this little affirmations, which is I attract success, I attract money, I attract opportunity. So that's totally related to work. So I have this affirmations right here. So I love affirmations, so it's important to have few affirmations in my vision board always. Then these pictures I wanted to stick to my personal planner, but there is no space for that, so I just sticked it here. It's okay to have it here. And here we have something related to this word breathe, which is slow days aren't wasteful, slow days are refreshing, restful, and necessary. I totally liked this quote when I came across this on Pinterest. It was like I want to have this quote in my vision board. And then I have again a beach because I need vitamin C. Next, coming to this side, a word consistent. Again, I have two affirmations. Here I have three words which are thankful, grateful, and blessed. Again, the words that I really like. So here I have my YouTube goal, which is to reach 5,000 subscribers. Next, here we have the word grateful, and here is the brand, which denotes getting brand deals. I'm so grateful that I got to work with few brands in 2022. I would like to wish the same in 2023 as well. And here is another set of affirmations that I really liked when I came across on Pinterest. Here it's a silver play button. I'm just manifesting it. You know, it's like a long-term vision. That's my work-related vision board, which again I absolutely love. Now let's move on to the digital vision boards. I'm going to make a vision board for my computer and one for my mobile. I'm just going to use the same images but for different formats. Let's quickly make a vision board for our computer. This is the final result. I don't know what, but vision boards really makes me excited and I really like doing them. And also I will be making my vision board for mobile as well. This is how it looks so good. That's it. I created all 4 vision boards for my goals. So in order to achieve your goals, it's quite important to focus on habits. And if you're looking for some healthy habits to start in this year 2023, then you need to watch this video on the screen right now, in which I talked about 5 healthy habits for you guys. I will see you there. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I shall see you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.